morning, children. Hope you all are fine and safe. Now, from yesterday's video, we will continue. See, is 560319 divisible by 9? So, the rule of 9 is sum of its digits. We have to add sum of its digits. Okay? So, sum of its digits will be 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9. So, what will be the sum? 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 0, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 1, 15 and 15 plus 9 will be 24. So, 24 is not divisible by 9 because 24 doesn't comes in the table of 9. Is not divisible by 9. Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 9. Clear, children? Now, we have the next sum, that is 78932217 divisible by 10? So, what is the rule of 10? The digit in the units place, all of you know, I think. The digit in the units place should be 0 or 0. The digit in the units place should be 0. So, what do we have, children, here? 7. So, 7 is not divisible by 10. Therefore, 78932217 is not divisible by 10. Okay. Now, the next question is determine if 25110 is divisible by 45. Whether this number is divisible by 45 or not. So, how we will do? To test the divisibility of this number by 45, we have to test it by 5 and 9. 5 9s is 45 and both are prime numbers, co-prime numbers. So, we have to test it by 5 or 9. So, what is the rule of 5, children? The last digit should be 0 or 5. So, here it is 0. So, 0 is divisible by 5. Therefore, 25110 is divisible by 5. Again, what is the rule of 9? Just now we have done here. So, sum of its digits, let's plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0. What will come? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So, 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 25110 is divisible by 9. As this number is divisible by both 5 and 9, hence we can conclude 25,110 is divisible by 45. Clear, children? Now, find the prime factorization of 2904. Prime factorization means what we have to do? All of you know how to find out. We have to take here prime numbers and we will start from 2. Because here we are having 4, so it will go by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now again it will go by 2. Again it will go by 2. Now the last digit we are having 3. So now it will not go by 2, but the rule of 3 is sum of its digits. So plus it, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 3 12. So this number will also go by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are. Now 121 comes in the table of 11. So 11 1s are, 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. So the prime factorization of therefore 2904 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into 11. In this way, we have to find out the prime factors. Okay? Prime factorization. All the numbers should be prime. Clear? Now, The next sum, as we can see here, find the HCF of 12, 18, 46 by division method. By which method you have to find out? Division method. So division method, how we will do? Like this. We have to simple divide. First we have to take any two numbers you can take, but I have taken here 12 and 18. You can take 12, 46 also. You can take 18, 46 also. Okay. So how we have to do? 12 ones are 12. Now 6. Now what we have to do? This 12 we have to bring here. Now again 6 twos are 12. Now it ends. So this is our answer. In between these two numbers, 12 and 18, the answer is 6. But we are having one more number. So that is 46. We have to divide here. 6 eights will become bigger. So 6 sevens is 42. 4. 4 ones are 4. 2. 2 twos are 4. So our answer is 2. This we will consider as HCF. Therefore, HCF is equal to 2. Now the next sum. Find the LCM of 24, 40, 84 by division method. We have to find the HCF. So by division method, all of you know all the numbers in LCM we have to take it. Now we will start. All the numbers will go by 2 here. Now as we can see here, these two number only go by 2. 21 will not go. So still we can take. Now we can see here 3. 3 ones are, 3 fives are, 3 sevens are. Until and unless all the numbers here becomes 1, we have to go on doing. Okay. Now 7 ones are 7. Clear? Now in LCM what we have to do? We have to multiply all the numbers. See, 2 12s are, 2 20s are, 2 42s are, 2 6s are, 2 10s are. Now this will not, 2 21s are. Now we can see here only these two numbers will go by 2. We will write this number as it is. So 2 3s are, 2 5s are. Now this will go by 3 ones are, 5 will remain same, 3 sevens are, now 5 ones are, now 7. So therefore LCM is equal to, what we have to do? All the numbers we have to multiply. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. 43s are 120 and 127 is 840. So this is our answer. Children, I hope you all have understood. Please revise the sums. Thank you.